On September 3, 2020, MetaMask launched a mobile wallet application for iOS and Android users. MetaMask mobile users can send and receive digital assets. They can also store non-fungible tokens, NFTs. One of the most attractive features of the mobile wallet is the sync option, which allows the desktop extension users to sync their mobile wallet with their desktop wallet by scanning a QR code.
Table of contents since installation guide. Android mobile. Create a new wallet. Import wallet sync with MetaMask extension. Sentient token transactional circle section history. Connect with Uniswap. Navigate to decentralized exchanges.
Select Uniswap. Connect your wallet. Platform operation, swap, conclusion installation guide. Android mobile. Users can download the MetaMask mobile wallet application from the Google Play Store, Android. After installation, a pop-up window will come up that will let you do 3 different activities related to the wallet installation. Create a new wallet. Import using seed phrasing with MetaMask extension. Create a new wallet. Choose to create a new wallet if you are a new user. It will ask to set up a wallet password. After the password setup, the application will display a 12-word key phrase which you need to store safely. In the final step, the app will ask you to verify the key phrases and let you use the wallet. The wallet landing page will look like this. Import wallets. Import wallet option allows you to import your existing wallets in a new device. MetaMask gives you the option to import your wallet by providing private keys or by scanning a QR code. Provide the correct details and your wallet will be imported. The wallet landing page contains the details of various tokens that a user holds. Sync with MetaMask extension. This feature allows you to import your desktop extension account to this device.
To connect extension with mobile, follow these below steps. Open the extension on desktop. Go to setting greater than advanced. Click on sync with mobile. Scan the QR code to start syncing. Note: syncing the desktop browser extension with a mobile wallet will remove all your existing mobile wallet accounts.
The send option allows you to send tokens to another account. Enter the recipient address and the token type and value. Receive. Through this option, you can share your public address and QR code to receive tokens. MetaMask allows you to share your. You can read full post on CryptoFans. News, link available in text below.